CR tutorial chemistry. This is your CR sir. Today we are going to discuss about the coordination compounds or complex compounds. Coordination compounds. Coordination compounds. These are also called as a complex compounds. Complex compounds. Right. So here, before going to the coordination compounds or complex compound, we have to know the simple salts, double salts, and also further we are going to discuss about the complex compounds. Now let us discuss about the simple salts. Simple salts. What is simple salt? The salt which can dissociate into two different different charged ions. Only two different charged ions when addition of water are called simple salts. Suppose example we can write sodium chloride NaCl. On hydrolysis it gives only Na plus and Cl minus ions. We can take another example KBr. So on hydrolysis it gives only the K plus and Cl minus ions. Means the salts which are giving the only two different charged ions on hydrolysis are called as simple salts. Right? Okay. Next, which one is a double salt? Double salt, as the salt which can be formed by the combination of two simple salts and can be dissociated into different more than different ions on hydrolysis are called double salts. Suppose example we can write the name of the compound also. I am writing very important, it is examination point of view. First one is the cornellite. Cornellite. Okay, this is a compound, and another one is the Morse salt and potash alum. So these are the example of double salt. What is the formula for cornellite? So cornellite formula is KCl MgCl2 S6H2. We can write like this. Morse salt, ferrous sulfate, by the combination of ferrous sulfate and ammonium sulfate, 24H2. The other one is a potash alum. We can write like this also, KAlSO4 taken 2, or we can write by the multiplication of 2 we can write like this also, K2SO4 Al2SO4 taken 3, and we can write it is here it is 12H2O, so we can write here it is 24H2O. So these are the double salt. So the double salt on addition of water they gives more than two ions. Suppose example cornellite on hydrolysis or on addition of water it gives K plus and Mg2 plus, and also the other one is Cl minus ion, and here also Fe2 plus and NH4 plus and SO4 minus 2. Here in the potash alum also we can write as a K plus and Al3 plus and SO4 minus. What is the difference between simple salt and double salt? Here in the simple salt on hydrolysis it gives only two ions. One is a cation and another one is the anion. But here in double salt on hydrolysis it gives more than 2 ions. Means maybe those are 2 cations, 1 anion, 2 types of cations, 1 anion, or maybe it gives to 2 anions and only 1 type of cation. So this type of salts are called as a double salts. Next, another one is the coordination compounds or complex compounds. Coordination compound or complex compounds. Yes, this is also same like the double salt. The coordination compound or complex compound formed by the combination of two different compounds in stoichiometric ratio, and on hydrolysis they use one complex ion and another one is the counter ion. So this type of compounds are called as a coordination compounds or complex compounds. So means here what is the difference between double salts and coordination compounds? Here the double salt is on addition of water, the double salt is losing its identity and completely dissociated into their ions. But here coordination compounds cannot be completely dissociated. They are dissociated into 2 ions, but it is a one complex ion and another one is the counter ion. Means the complex compounds or coordination compounds, those are not losing their identity. They are giving the complex ions. They are giving the complex ions and also counter ions. So that's why these compounds are also called as a coordination compounds or complex compound. Suppose example we can write here potassium ferrocyanide K4 FeCN taken 6. So this is, we can write like this also. It is potassium ferrocyanide, potassium ferrocyanide, and other one we can write the different compounds. We can write FeCN taken 6. It is also potassium ferricyanide, potassium ferricyanide. So on hydrolysis, these compounds are giving which type of ions? Here it is counter ion, K plus ions are counter ions, and the remaining part is FeCN taken 6. So it is a complex ion. So here it is -4. This is a one type ion, and here also it is K plus only. Here it is FeCN taken 6. Here it is -3. So we can take another compound also. Suppose example CONH3 taken 6 and Cl. So this is the cobalt ammonium chloride. Cobalt ammonium chloride. So this is also one type of complex compound. Why? Because it is giving the one counter ion and another one is the complex ion taken 6 only here also. So here it is plus and this one is the Cl is the minus. So these are the difference between simple salts and double salts and coordination compounds. What is the meaning of simple salts here? It is giving only one cation and one anion on hydrolysis or on addition of water. The double salt which can give the more than 2 ions, maybe those are 2 cations, 1 anion, maybe those are maybe 2 anions, 1 cation. So what are the coordination compound? Those compound which are on hydrolysis are on addition of water giving the one complex ion, another one is the counter ion. So that type of compounds are called as a coordination compound. Here we can compare the double salt and coordination compound here. So the double salt can be formed by the combination of two or more compounds in stoichiometric ratio. The coordination compound also formed by the combination of two or more compounds in stoichiometric ratio. So this is the difference between double salts and a coordination compound. So both are formed by the combination of two different compounds by the stoichiometric ratio. But here on hydrolysis, double salt gives only the different ions. But here the coordination compounds are giving the complex ions on hydrolysis. So that's why these compounds are called as a coordination compounds. Okay, are you understand this one? Simple salt, double salt, coordination compound. Here simple salts means those are completely ionic compound. Here the double salts are completely ionic compounds only. Means these simple salts and double salts both are formed by the ionic bond between the two different charged ions. So means electrostatic force of attractions between the two different charged ions. So those are ionic compound. But here also the coordination compound also formed by the same like that only. But here the bonds are in coordination, are by the coordination covalent bond. So that's why this compound are also called coordination compound. But these compounds on hydrolysis gives the complex ions and counter ions. So that's why these are also called as a complex compounds. Are you understand the difference between the simple salts, double salts and coordination compounds? Further, we are going to discuss about the what are the coordination compounds and what are the geometries of coordination compounds and the theories which are explaining the coordination compounds. Okay.